Okay, thank you. What am I doing here? This is a place called Ministry of Roasters. This is actually recommended to me by one of my best friends in the world. So he's actually a recent convert to coffee. He's really fallen deep into the rabbit hole. I asked him, hey, what is a place that I need to go to here in Bangkok? And he gave me a list and I was like, look, let's drill it down to one, maybe two places. And now, Ministry. And it's a little bit far away from like the rest of where I'm staying, but this is Ministry of Roastery. So let's go have a look. Sorry, what should I have?
Yeah. So, what would you like about the coffee?
Okay, so how about this? What do you think is the best coffee to represent Ministry of Roasters?
For my favorite is about the Ethiopian coffee around here.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll have that.
Americano. Or
I would like to have it the way you would like to have it.
okay, I recommend, and it's my favorite is this one. You can see it in the pink one.
The Ethiopian Anaerobic Natural coffee bean, fresh and floral.
The taste like a floral and a fruity too.
Okay.
Okay. Americano เย็นนะ
All right, so we've got our coffee here. This is an Ethiopian coffee. I didn't see how they brewed it. Maybe they did it pour over. It looks relatively light roasted. They gave me a straw, even though this has like a sippy lid. I kind of like the sippy lid. I don't like to drink out of straws too much. This cost 120 baht. I don't think that's terrible. So light, bright, quite bright, juicy. There's a little bit of fruit, more, I'd say red fruit, cherry-ish, strawberry-ish, refreshing and light. I think this is a nice choice in hot weather like it is here, on ice, that keeps it cool. Oh, look at this. In earnest, in every aspect of coffee. Second runner-up for the Roasters Championship in Thailand, 2018. I like how they put that on there. A bit lighter than I like in coffee. I like a little bit more development. I like a little more sweetness, a little bit heavier body. I always find those coffees to be not as refreshing in hot climes. Like right now, it's pretty hot. I think this is very refreshing in that respect. I gotta say, it's a rather impressive facility here. There's so many facets to it. There's a bread place. There's this part, which I guess is a training center. We've got all kinds of gadgets. Like, it's gadgets galore in here. It's really quite crazy, but impressive. I thought I had a lot of stuff at our roastery. This is a lot of gear. They've got roasters here. I don't know what they're roasting on the back. I'm gonna have to go take a look at that. But well, as far as an experience for guests, I think this place is really interesting because they've got tons of displays. Like, they got different posters explaining the different tasting of the coffees. They've got different componentries, tables set up with all kinds of like syrups and sweeteners. I mean, there's a lot of education going on here that's in some ways kind of passive. You can just come and get coffee and take off, or if you want to browse around, you can like look and read and learn a lot. It's almost kind of like a coffee museum. Maybe educate yourself about coffee flavors and tasting and different componentries of the process. I like how they have little lab coats to wear. I finally got one of mine for myself recently. I got mine because one of my friends, Mikey DeLaura, he's become a recurring cast member on the TV show Magnum PI. He plays the new Emmy in this season of Magnum. When I saw him when we were in Hawaii back in October, he was like, "Hey man, they just picked me up for the recurring," and I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm gonna play you, dude, for Halloween." It's Dr. Santos, medical examiner. Oh, right here. Right. That was Ministry of Roasters. Pretty good experience, like really interesting, a lot of stuff in there. Great recommendation, I really like that place. We're heading to 1-1 Coffee Roasters. Another place that was recommended to me by someone else. Here's my guy. Sawadee-ka. How are you? Okay.